Hi, I'm Sarah Starr from Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. In today's session, we'll be focusing on combining lower and upper body moves while using a chair for support. See you on the other side.
Namaste. Let's begin our practice by focusing on three-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice, beginning with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release, returning to center. Place your fingertips to your shoulders with your elbows wide. Lift your elbows up and lower, keeping your shoulders relaxed, moving at your own pace. Pausing, keep your fingertips to your shoulders with your elbows wide. Begin to circle your elbows forward and around, alternating right and left, gradually increasing your range of motion. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Alternate right and left, circling your elbows back and around, creating more space and ease in your ribcage, shoulders, and upper back. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your right ear towards your right shoulder, gently leaning to the right. Adding a wrist and hand stretch, begin to point and flex through your right hand as you continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your left ear towards your left shoulder, gently leaning to the left. Adding a wrist and hand stretch, begin to point and flex through your left hand, bending at your wrist. Release and return to center. Walk your feet over to the right side of your chair, moving into a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart. tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Pausing in upright, adding a twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, clasping the back of your chair, using it as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Exhale to unwind, moving into a seated lunge position. Keep your right thigh to your chair as you extend through your left leg, coming onto the ball of your back foot with your back heel raised, aligning your front knee over your front ankle. When you're ready, reach your left arm to the sky as you continue lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Adding a lateral stretch, reach your left arm up and over to the right as you maintain the energy and alignment in your legs, lifting up and out of your waist. Continue breathing deeply as you return to upright, adding a gentle shoulder stretch. Reach your right arm across your body, using your left arm to gently guide it in, keeping your shoulders down and back. Continue cultivating awareness as you release, returning to center. Repeating this sequence to the opposite side, walk your feet over to the left side of your chair, moving into a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, moving at your own pace. Pausing in upright, transitioning into a seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, clasping the back of your chair, using it as added leverage. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Exhale to unwind, transitioning into a seated lunge position. Maintain your left thigh to the chair as you extend through your right leg, coming onto the ball of your back foot with your back heel raised. And when you're ready, reach your right arm to the sky. Adding a lateral stretch, reach your right arm up and over to the left as you continue lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Returning to upright, adding a gentle shoulder stretch. Reach your left arm across your body, using your right arm to gently guide it in, maintaining the alignment in your legs, reaching energetically through your left fingertips. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, stretching through your hamstrings, creating more mobility and flexibility in your joints. Pause with your right leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy of your foot and ankle. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee as you continue sitting tall, moving at your own pace. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel. Release and return to center. With your right hand to your right leg, begin to circle your right leg open for an external hip rotation, waking up your hip joint. Continue moving slowly and gently as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation. Pausing, place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, moving into a seated twist variation. Cross your right leg over your left. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. Continue here, or optional to gently press your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Stay connected to your breath, adding ankle rotations with your right ankle. Feel the circulation flowing through top of foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Continue breathing deeply as you slowly release and return to center, repeating this sequence to the opposite side. With your left hand to your left leg, begin to circle your left leg open, waking up your hip joint. Continue sitting tall as you circle your left leg in the opposite direction, adding an internal hip rotation. Pausing, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and slowly lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, adding a seated twist variation. Cross your left leg over your right. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, lengthen from the base of your spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Optional to gently press your right arm into your left leg, using it as added leverage. Stay connected to your breath, adding ankle rotations with your left ankle. As you switch directions, continue to cover as much space as possible, re-energizing through your foot and ankle. Continue breathing smoothly and deeply as you release and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and gently focus on your breath, allowing it to be easy and natural. Stay connected to your breath as you consciously relax your body, relaxing your jaw, your eyes, forehead, shoulders, relaxing your entire body. Continue breathing deeply, growing as spacious as possible, absorbing the beauty and ease of this moment as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.